Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout of a really cool Western Electric 500 set. This is a rotary desk telephone, and this is Shireen's telephone from New York. And in the earlier video that we did of this telephone, the initial checkout, we showed that she wanted to have this telephone repaired and put back into working order for her husband because it was for a birthday gift, and this was his grandfather's business telephone that he used in his business. And she also requested that, I'm going to try to take the glare off of this. She wanted this name here, Starman, to be put in the center dial ring. So that gives you a little look at that. This is a really cool telephone. It was all original when it came in, and even had the 4-prong plug on it. So it was a really cool telephone. Nice to see something from the past like that had been untouched. And I'm going to give you a little look at this telephone, and we're going to do some final checks here. Now, she asked us to clean it up a little bit, and we did. I don't like to overly do it on these telephones. These telephones aren't brand new, and I don't try to make them look brand new. They have use on them. They have wear and tear, and I think telephones cleaned up a little bit are fine, but to polish them out and try to make them brand new, they're not brand new, and they're never going to be. So it just takes a little bit from them when you try to go too far with them. So we don't go too far with them. I don't like to get into that. I'm into the repair side of it. We get the telephones in working condition, and we'll clean them a little bit, but we don't overdo it. I've had people, ask me to, make them look like they came off the showroom floor, and I'm not into that. I really don't have time for that anyway. Basically, what we do is repair. But this is a really cool telephone, and this gives you a little bit of a look at it, and I think in its condition, it's just a beautiful telephone, even with a little wear and tear on it. And that's what you want to see. His grandfather used this in business, and so this telephone was probably used every day. And if not, it probably was used more than it would have been if it was in a home. So, well, it just depends. Depends on how much you're on the phone, but it's really a great telephone. So let's do some checks on it. I'm going to go ahead and let it ring a little bit. Get you some dial tone here. And we're going to go ahead and dial some numbers here real quick. And end in a 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk into the handset, and you're going to see that red indicator light on the analyzer. That shows 100% modulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Incoming message test. Hello, hello. So we know this telephone is in good working condition now. Now we also installed a modular line cord on here that can be plugged into a new style situation. And so this telephone is all set to go, and I think it turned out really nice. We're going to go ahead and do some calling with this telephone. I'm going to dial, say, a time and temp number. Let's get some dial tone here real quick. And I will dial time and temp.
Permanent issues? Apply by phone anytime at 622-4600. 622-4600. Same-day approval available. Today is Saturday, April 9th. The time is 2:43. Current temperature 96 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Warmer today, mostly cloudy skies, scattered showers and thunderstorms, and partly cloudy. Highs in the 80s, mostly clear tonight. Lows in the 60s.
So let's do one more check. Let me call my number, and it'll be busy. Okay, and we'll do one more. I'll go ahead and call time and temp again.
Good afternoon. Shop our entire location online anytime at Offenburg.com. Today is Saturday, April 9th. The time is 2:45. Current temperature 96 degrees.
So we know this telephone is in working condition now, and you know, the rotary's been gone through and all the connections and everything's been oiled that needs to be oiled and cleaned. New line cord put on it so it can be plugged into a modern jack, and the bell circuit was reconfigured so that that would work. And this is a really nice telephone. It's in very good condition, and anybody would like to have this telephone, I'm sure. It does have the older style network and the older style feet, as you can see on them. And so it's a really cool telephone, and anybody would like to have this, I'm sure. I want to make sure that this is plugged in still. We'll do one more test. Get our line over in the analyzer. We'll dial our numbers one more time. Ending a 2. Let it ring a couple times. I'm going to go ahead and dial a 2 and speak into the handset again. Transmit a little bit. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hello. So now we know that everything is working. I'm sure that this is going to be a part of her husband's birthday, and I think he's going to enjoy seeing his grandfather's telephone working again. And that gives you a look at it right there. So it's a really cool telephone. There's just something about a rotary telephone that's it's just a very unique piece of equipment, and it's from the days of the past. We're never going to see this again. And you know, these telephones that are left over from then are just really cool, and it's nice to get these telephones in working condition and use them again. So this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.